Welcome to the training manual for the microAeth AE51. How to get the microAeth AE51 ready for use. The microAeth AE51 is a pocket-sized air quality monitor that measures black carbon, a sooty black material emitted from gas and diesel engines and other sources that burn fossil fuels. Your school will be working with these monitors to test air quality in pre-selected sites. Though they don't look like much, these are powerful scientific tools on loan to your school by the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection Air Quality Division Bureau of Air Monitoring. The Air Quality Division's goal is to ensure clean air for both public health and the environment. What's in the box? Well, each monitor comes with a box, and the box includes a UBS cable, a charging adapter, as well as a nozzle that used to screw into the monitor itself when you're going to be taking samples. Let's take a look more closely. The AEF A51 has an inlet, like a nose, that breathes the air into the sampled unit. It also has an outlet. This is where the air that the unit has inhaled is then exhaled. It also has a red light, a green light, and a button. At the back of the unit is a flap and another light. Behind the flap is a plug that is used to both charge the monitor and to connect the monitor to a computer in order to download the data that the monitor itself has collected. You can also observe the AE51 serial number on this side of the unit. In this video, we'll be showing you the citizen science collaborators with the New Jersey Department of Energy and Environmental Protection, how to get started monitoring air quality in your community. In this video, you'll get familiar with the monitor, what its buttons, sounds, lights, and nozzles do, how to turn on the monitor, how to get the monitor ready to use outside at your air quality testing sites, how to connect the monitor to a computer, how to verify that the monitor's time and date are set correctly, and how to turn off the monitor. So let's get started. In order to use the monitor, it's important that you understand what its lights, button, flaps, and receptacles do and how they function. First, take a look at the AE51. What do you notice? Its small size, its blue cover, it's lightweight. It looks very simple, right? Okay. Well, the monitor should be fully charged before you take it out for sampling. It takes about 4 hours to fully charge the unit using the USB and the AC wall adapter. Let's assume that the monitor has charged for the required 4 hours. Let's turn on the AE51. To turn on the AE51, press and hold the power button for 4 seconds until the instrument beeps. You will hear a beep and then a chirping sound. Then release the power button and wait for a few seconds. Observe and listen. You will hear a whirring sound and a second chirping and a beep. The pump will turn on and the lights will begin to blink on and off every second for about a minute. Then the LED lights will stop blinking and the AE51 will chirp again, meaning that it's starting to sample and collect data. You will observe that the green LED light will blink at this point. This is normal. While the microAeth AE51 is operating and the green light is blinking, connect the USB power cable to the AE51 and then connect to the other side of the cable to the computer, like this. That's the small side. And then your computer for this project, you will connect the wider end of the cable to the slot in the computer. What you should observe on the screen is that the device is connecting. Make sure that the serial number of the device appears onto the screen. If it does not appear, disconnect the monitor and try reconnecting it again. There you can see that the serial number of the device appears on the screen at the top left of the device's home page. When you see that the serial number in the software is the same as that of the monitor, then you know the device is connected correctly. If you don't see the serial number, you may need to unplug the device from the USB port and plug it in again, as I just demonstrated. In addition to the serial number, you'll want to verify the information as follows. First of all, you want to make sure that the date and timestamp is correct. In this case, this video was made on August 23rd, 2018 at 9:31 a.m. And you can see that the timestamp here is exactly that. So this is correct. However, if you note that the timestamp is incorrect, then you'll want to click on the options, go to settings, and here you can sync with PC time. Save those settings, and it'll change the settings on the monitor itself so that you know the day you go out sampling that the timestamp on the monitor itself will be correct. When you're finished with this process, you'll get a prompt and it'll ask you if you'd like to shut down the unit. You can go ahead and click yes, and the monitor, you can hear, just powered off. Before you take the AE51 into the field to do sampling, it's important to remember to connect the nozzle to the intake valve of the monitor. The nozzle has a screw end, and it simply screws into that. And then this becomes the intake part of the monitor itself. And this is how you'll actually sample when you're in the field.